Hello. Good evening. Today is the 24th of June. Is it? Yeah, 24th of June. And the temperature reads 32. We have a heat wave officially in Europe. And I need to water the plants every day, especially the tomato. Even after a day, the wood wilt really. I'm testing my new camera. Oof. Need to connect this. Yeah. And we'll continue our walk to the garden. This is the path that leads to my allotment. Oh, it works like that. Not bad. Look, it's quiet. No one is here. If you look, oh no. At the back, behind me, is the sunset. Look at that. I need to train myself also to looking at the lens instead of myself on the screen. We are here. My newest. Look at this. I'm really happy with the result. Look at this combination. Beautiful. How about making a wider shot? Even these flowers have begun blossoming. This still needs time, but look, an anomaly. These colors, they're not desired here, but they're beautiful. They just don't belong to the color palette. This rose and the flowers above. Can you see them? The violets. And that's the sunset. It's time to water the plants. Yeah. This is the view while we are watering. Training myself how to do a selfie shot while working. This is something new to me. Can you see the greenhouse? And the grapes here. And more flowers here. Look at this. I don't know what happened to this dahlia. Beautiful wisteria here about to come. Relish here and grapes on top. And look at this, balcony flowers. And my favorite, the malunggay. Another close-up of the malunggay. Do you remember this place? This was the place where we planted our chayote. It did not move until now. It's been here for 2 months. I mean, it did not grow. But look, it developed a new shoot. That's what's moving, that's what's growing. And this is my insurance policy. In case that does not bear fruit, I have another one here. This was the least performing seedling, and now it's the best. I want to think we can perfectly choreograph nature. Sometimes it follows its own course. And these are my latest flowers. Beautiful. Even for one day, the discolored. Look at this rose. Beautiful. And that's the sunset. And this is me watering the plants. Oh. Las Cuatro here on the ground. And I really need to get accustomed to this way of filming. Now to the vegetable department. These are the beans. And this is the pumpkin. More water for the beans. This is the thirsty plant. Let's go to the tomatoes. It's a berry. This is an eggplant, another eggplant here. And these are chili. Tomatoes. I'll come back here tomorrow and tie them. Those are the wild African spinach. And it's further there, banana. And here, apples. Can be boring, but this is life at the allotment. I really need to do this every day because of the heat wave. those inside the greenhouse have their own watering system, but this outside, I need to come here every day. It's time to clear this piece. Not very fruitful, but there's something promising here. I'll show you. There, coyote. Oh shit. And there are lots of foxgloves here. I'll transplant them tomorrow, or I'll pot them tomorrow. It's really very crowded here. For the view, this is the view. Can you see it there? And the rest of the garden. Let's return to the corn. It's difficult to orient this. More water to the tomatoes, otherwise they will wilt again tomorrow. I think I forgot to mention about this too. These are gourds, UFO, Italian pie. I think that concludes our testing of our camera today, as I tour you through the allotment. Thank you for joining me here, and thank you for allowing me to share the life of a gardener. A bit demanding, but certainly it's rewarding. Until next time, I'll see you next upload as we bring you more experiences and inspiration from here at the garden. This has been Romulo. Until next time. Okay, extension. It's time to go home. This is the view as we go home. Can you see the beauty of the flowers here? Look. Beautiful. Let's go home.